Recently, the Xenea app got a new update. So in this video, I will talk about how to update your Xenea wallet and also how to create a Xenea wallet account. If you don't have an account, just download it from the link in description and use the invite code to create an account. After downloading and installing Xenea wallet, open it and enter the invite code from the video description. Now click on sign up. Now accept the terms and services, then continue with Google. Select your Google account and continue. Now accept the privacy policy and continue. Now you need to set up basic security. Create a PIN code and set your biometric. You need this PIN and biometric when you log in, so save it. Now let's create the wallet. Click on continue. Check this option and continue. Here, you need to set up security questions. Select security questions and save your answer. Now you need to save your backup data. Here are two options. You can backup it to your local storage or in cloud storage. But the recommended method is cloud storage. Backup your data and continue. Remember, you must have the backup data if you want to log in your account in another device, or if sign out your account from your current device. After creating the wallet, go to the wallet home. Now from the top, click on the ongoing gem campaign. Here you find all campaigns and can earn gems by completing them. All of the answers you will find in my Telegram channel, so join the Telegram channel in description. You can also earn gems by referring this wallet to your friends. If one of your friends registers with your link or invite code, you will earn 2,000 gems, so refer your friends and keep earning. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe for more updates.